Executive Auto Detailing is home to the ultimate car care experience. Hand washing with non-abrasive wash pads and chamois. Clay bar paint cleaning and removal of microscopic paint contaminants. Scratch removal and multi-step buffing process to create the perfect finish. Paint polishing and glazing, adding depth and increasing shine. Paint waxing protects your paint and also increases its shine. Paint sealing adds a smooth finish and provides a barrier against contaminants. pH Balance Leather Cleaner safely removes dirt, while Leather Conditioner reinstills moisture. Special UV protection agents provide a sunscreen for your interior and prevent fading. Shampooing mats is always done carefully using purpose-designed cleaners and careful hand brushing. Headlight restoration increases nighttime driving visibility and improves your automobile's appearance. Reconditioning exterior plastics can make faded trim look like new. Rubber door seal conditioning prevents cracking and increases their lifespan. Engine degreasing and dressing makes your engine immaculate and highly presentable. Tire protection and gloss enhancement makes tires look like new. Glass sealant and rain barrier allows water to slip off of windows for maximum visibility. Top quality services with personalized attention, the ultimate car care experience.